Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Welkom terug. If you are new here, welkom hier by ons. And if you are returning, thank you so very much. Ik ga nog lang praten. I'm not going to talk a lot. We're just going to jump straight into it. And today I'm doing an updated Flexi rod set. So I like my curls to be a specific way. So when you do Flexi rods, you get different ways on how the curl is going to be. So you get the tuck and roll type feel, and then you get the roll. So which one? I'm gonna show you which one I like. And as you guys can see, today's video is sponsored by the local by Donkey Buy, with a sponsor. So I already went ahead and washed my hair and conditioned, deep conditioned and that. So I'm gonna just go rinse off my hair and then we can jump straight into it. But before we do so, you have some rules here. First, you are here. Thank you so much for being here. Second, what are you waiting for? What? Hit on the subscribe button, click on the like button. There's a notification bell right next to the subscribe button, so you won't miss a thing. And comment, like and share, and invite your friends, because crazy things are going to happen. We are starting a new series here on this channel, which I'm not going to announce right now. I'm going to announce on it because that's how we do it. Let's keep it low key, but we move. So let's go. Let's do it. How do you do it? I'm back. Okay, so I divide my hair in 4 sections just to make it easier. But I'm gonna start at the back and yeah. Okay, so once again we are going to use curl cream set. It will be the first time that I'm styling a Flexi rod set with this, but you get it and see. That's how you should use foam, but yeah, here we are using this. So I just took a small section and then clean a bit because I also don't want my stuff to be too oily, so I just take a dime size, although I don't really know how to do that, but we try. And then we comb it through. I have a whole audience today, guys, watching me do this in my room. So if I look awkward, it's because they're watching me. So basically I take it around the ends, make sure it's tucked in. And then I just roll like that. I don't tuck it or anything, I just roll it. Just make sure it's smooth. And then yeah, just roll it to the ends and then tuck it. Baie maklik. And then you continue. Okay, so I'm just going to show you in front what I'll do and how I do. I'm trying to make very small sections. I had to go buy more of these flexi rods because I feel that the smaller the section, the nicer the curl, and the quicker it dries. It's just quick math. So yeah, this is just a simple one around, and you tuck the ends in, so you make sure it's nice and smooth, and then you just roll up, and then you fold it, and then tuck the ends in. Good morning, and as you guys saw, I took out my flexi rods because I couldn't sleep. So yeah, so this is how it looks after I went back to sleep, and now we're going to start. You can put a bit of oil on your hands and then just just separate the pickles. That's all we're gonna do.
What we do here is go back.